Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of July. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court slammed Centre over failure to implement Disability Act provisions. Maharashtra government to bring new law to crack down on fake pathology labs. Peace talks don't succeed amidst bombs and guns, PM Modi told to Putin. PM Modi visited exhibition on India-Russia cooperation in civil nuclear energy. Puri Jagannath Temple's Treasury Ratna Bhandar likely to open on July 14th. India Foundation's Shaurya Doval nominated as Fellow of World Academy of Art and Science. India to open two new consulates in Russia, PM Modi in Moscow. India recorded 6.3% rise in domestic air travel at 132.8 lakh in June. Education Ministry reviewed guidelines for implementation of bagless days in schools. Dengue can seriously affect the brain nervous system, doctors said. Now some international news. Disgrace. Greece's main opposition party slammed 6-day working week. I'm back. Slovak PM Robert Fico returned to work 2 months after shooting incident. Four Indian Americans charged for running human trafficking racket in US, a report said. PM Modi departed for Austria after fruitful 2-day visit to Russia. And now some sports news. Gautam Gambhir appointed Indian cricket team head coach. Sumit Nagal moved to second round of ATP Challenger in Germany. The highly anticipated Olympics 2024 are all set to kickstart from July 26th. Business related news. Ahead of Union Budget, PM Modi to meet economists on Thursday. Nirmala Sitharaman is scheduled to present the budget for 2024-25 in the Lok Sabha on July 23. In 2024 Union Budget focused likely on jobs, rural India, Goldman Sachs. Maruti Suzuki stocks gained 7% after UP's hybrid vehicle tax waiver. And that's all in news. Thank you.